Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert video to audio on CapCut. So here I've already import video and I've already edited actually, and I want to add an audio to it from a video. So I want to convert the video into audio. So what you need to do is just click on audio and here choose extracted. Click on that, and here you can just choose which of the sound or the video sound that you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. Click on import sound only, and then the video will be converted into audio like this. Here you see at the bottom, this is the audio from the video that I choose before. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below and subscribe our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.